ranch dressing chicken thighs, and beer-battered potato wedges. Grease a 9x13 baking dish. Season both sides of your chicken thighs with a little salt and a little pepper. To a mixing bowl, we're going to combine 16 ounces of Catalina original dressing, 1 cup of apricot preserves, and 1 packet of Lipton onion soup mix. Pour it all over your chicken. You're going to bake this at 350 for 50 to 60 minutes. You're going to want to baste your chicken. 4 large Yukon potatoes, 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of McCormick's all-purpose smokehouse seasoning, 1 half tablespoon of black pepper. Now give this a little mixy mix. 1 cup of beer, any beer of your choice. I'm using this Guinness Drought Stout. And 1 egg that's been thoroughly beaten. Working in batches, we're going to fry our potato wedges 3 to 4 minutes, turning occasionally. We're looking for golden brown. The tater wedge. Smothered chicken legs and onion gravy over rice. 2 teaspoons each of the seasonings listed here. All over your chicken. Mix away. We're just lightly dredging. Shake it off in batches to your oil, and you're going to brown them 3 to 4 minutes per side, giving them flavor and color. Add 4 tablespoons of butter, and then add your onions. Give it 2 heaping tablespoons of minced garlic. Give it a mix. Cook it 30 seconds more. 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Stir and cook for 1 minute. Slowly whisk in your broth. That's 1½ cups of beef broth and 1½ cups of chicken broth. Add your chicken back in, nestled in the gravy. You're going to let this simmer until the chicken is cooked through. Smother it in that gravy. Go on and fix your plate, baby. It's so good. Look at this. I'm starting with 1½ cups of uncooked rice. Here I've got about 6 cloves of garlic confit, and I'm going to smash those right into the rice. Add a couple of tablespoons of that oil too. That's flavor right there. Half an onion diced. 2 cups of chicken broth. That'll help cook all the flavor into this rice. Half a cup of heavy whipping cream. That'll make it rich. Onion powder, garlic powder, smoked paprika, and dried oregano. Salt and black pepper for taste, like a teaspoon each. And give that a mix. I've got 2 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken thighs going right on top of the rice. Season the chicken too. A little salt, a little pepper, a little smoked paprika. Cover it tightly, and you're going to bake it at 375 for 40 to 45 minutes. Oh yeah, look at that. Now I'm adding a cup of Monterey Jack cheese to the top to bring it together. Back into the oven, uncovered, just long enough for the cheese to melt. 10-15 minutes. Oh yeah, baby. Just a little squeeze of lemon juice at the end to wake it all up. So good. Add the chicken to a large mixing bowl and take about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And then you're going to take your chicken and you're going to mix it all up. You got to season the chicken because we're not animals. So it's like a teaspoon of black pepper, teaspoon of kosher salt, teaspoon of the yin and the yang, garlic powder and onion powder. Sprinkle it on there. Teaspoon of ground mustard. To the chicken. Teaspoon of smoked paprika. Teaspoon of dried rosemary leaves. And a teaspoon of dried parsley. Mix it up. Now you're going to bake the chicken at 425 for 40 minutes. 20 minutes in, give your chicken a flip. And then back into the oven for another 20 minutes. Expertly seasoned and roasted to perfection. So good. Best meal ever. And make sure that you get that juice all over your Mississippi chicken in the crock pot. 4 boneless, skinless chicken boobies. Sprinkle your chicken with some black pepper, like a teaspoon. Add in 15 of those pepperoncini peppers and 1/4 cup of its juice. 1 packet of Hidden Valley ranch dressing mix, the original. 1 packet of au jus gravy mix. Sprinkle it on there. 1 stick of unsalted butter cut into pats and just throw it on there. Don't use salted butter. This is a really salty recipe. Cover with the lid. You're going to cook on low for 6 to 8 hours or on high for 4 to 5. When your chicken is fall off the bone tender, take 2 forks and shred it up, just like this. Just like that. Serve it over mashed potatoes or rice. Sprinkle with dried parsley because we're fancy. And make sure that you get that juice all over your chickens. Let's try it. Y'all better go make it. It's so good.